So let's have a look at level 2. In level 2, you'll see that I've got some commands already here written down. So I can add in some code here. So I can think, okay, I want to go forwards by 50 and then do like a left turn and then do forwards by 50 again. Notice these are slightly different. We had the word forward written before with the number 50 and then left and forward. This time we've got FD, LT and FD, same values, and notice that there is a space in between them. That's really, really important. But FD doesn't have to be a capital, it can be lowercase, so it could be like that, FD, and it will still work. Now when I click on the run button, because you'll notice that nothing happened when I clicked on the buttons now. When I click on the run button, it's going to start at the top with the first line, then it's going to go to the next one, and so on. It's going to go through each of these lines of code in the sequence. So I'm going to press run, and you'll see that I did it quite quickly, but it went through all of these lines of code. So what I can do is I can clear all of my code here. Yes, I'm sure I want to clear all that, so it gets rid of everything. I can clear my canvas here. And what I want to do is I actually want the turtle to start again at home. So I'm just going to type the word home in. I want to clear the screen, so I'm going to press CS for that. And I want to make sure that the pen is back to the black color. So I'm just going to click on that there. And then when I click on run, you'll see that it moves back to the middle and we've started with our black color. Okay, so I can start to think about how I can draw shapes. If, for example, if I wanted to draw a square, I could do an FD, which is forwards of 100. I could then do a right turn of 90 degrees. And if you remember, a square has got 4 sides of equal length, and there are 4 right angles. So I'm just going to use the same code here. Now, when I click on run, you'll see that it draws a square for me. If this had been a left turn rather than a right turn, it will draw it in the left-hand side of the canvas. I have still got my home and clear screen, so every time it will run the code. It's going to start on this top line and then go to the next line, and so on. It's going to go through them in sequence. So if I don't want to clear the screen and don't want to go home, then I could just delete that. So let me show you a couple of other commands. So instead of FD, I could do backwards, which is BK. So I'm just going to change all these. And it won't clear the canvas this time. It will keep the turtle where it is, but it's going to draw slightly differently. I wonder if you can think about and predict where the square is going to be. Let's run it and see. Okay, so it went backwards, did a left turn of 90, and then went backwards again. Okay, so we've now started to create some shapes. Let me I am already home, but let me just clear the screen. Let me try some other shapes. This time I'm going to do a right turn of 120. Now if I remember from my maths lessons, right turn of 120, I've got 3 sides. Let's see if we can draw a shape here and predict what shape that might be. So let's draw a triangle. Okay, so you can hopefully see what I'm doing here. Let me change this angle to 72, and hopefully I am correct. I'm just going to copy this line here and paste it 2 more times, and let's see, I've got now 5 sides with a right turn of 72, and that's drawn a pentagon. So that's how we can start to draw some shapes and use some of the code to draw some shapes.